Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Steam must be running error. Make sure to follow my steps. Firstly, you should go to the Windows search bar and then type in settings. Go to the Windows updates. After that, you have to ensure that you have already installed the latest updates appearing. For the next step, go to the Windows search bar, right click and select Task Manager. Now all you have to do is to go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on, which is Steam. You will find it running right here, so make sure to select it. Right click and select in task. Just wait for a couple of moments. After that, you will see an upside arrow in the Windows taskbar. Click it. This will pop up, so look for the Steam icon. If you do find it, right click and select exit. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, relaunch the Steam launcher. Now you will be redirected to the Steam store. Go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo. After that, click on check for Steam client updates. If you do have the newest version, select close, otherwise download it using the download button that will be appearing right here. Go to the library next and then click on collections. From here, select your game. After that, click on this gear icon and select properties. Now go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files. Just wait for the process to finish. It will start by validating the original files of the game, and any missing file will be automatically recovered, including the Steam problem. So close everything, try restarting your computer. After that, try relaunching the game and see if it works.